So we have a 2014 ST Ford Focus, and we're working on removing and replacing the clutch pedal. So before you remove the clutch pedal, you have to first remove the battery tray, which consists of, first of all, you have to remove the air box, right? Speed up with the air box, which is here. Disconnect the connector. Take the disconnect this bolt here, which is an 8mm. Disconnect this bolt right here, which is another 8. Move it out the way. Then you just pull this out. Disconnect the sensor, and then you could just pick up on this because it's only rubber ground that's holding this in. Pull this out. Then it comes right out. And you just this goes around this piece here. You just pull this off. Once you get the airbox assembly out, you're gonna work on getting your battery out, which is gonna be a 10mm nut. Take that off on the negative and the positive side, and then you're gonna work on getting your airbox out. But before you could get your airbox out, the window wipers are very difficult to take off, so I say, you know what, I'm not going to do that. So what I did was I just took out, there's going to be a Torx bolt, which is this one here, and it's going to be a T30 bolt. You take out, it's going to be 2 of them, 1 on each side. Once you remove that, then you could get this whole you can work on getting this piece out, which consists of 2 10mm bolts, and one goes there and one goes on the other side over there. Goes to that corner. Okay, and then you could slide it out to avoid taking these wipers out. Once you do that, they're gonna work on taking your airbox out, which is going to be either a 10mm socket or a 3/8. In this case, it was a 3/8. This was a 3/8 bolt, and this wound up being a 10. I don't know if it's because of the rust or whatnot, but yeah, these are 10s or 3/8. And then you got a bracket here for the battery, which consists of this bracket here. It's going to be 10s. So this goes like so. Alright. And then this goes here. I like to keep everything together for the most part, so I won't lose anything. But this is how it goes. Okay. And there's your battery here. Okay, once you remove that, now let me get a light so you guys can see it better. As you can see, this is your ABS module, and of course Ford engineering, man. This is where your master cylinder is located, and the lines. This is one of your lines. Make sure not to lose this clip, this black clip right here. That goes to your lower to the lower part of the master cylinder, because this clip you can't buy separate. You have to buy the whole entire line. So make sure you don't lose this black clip, which is right there. Shine the light a little bit more. See a little black clip. And to get this line out, you have to make sure to take the little clip out the way, because what happens is it's Let me see if I can find a clip. Here's a clip right here. So this is the new one. So you're gonna have this clip off the old ones. It's gonna be the same exact clip. So what you do is just get a little pick and just pry that down, and then you'll be able to get that lower line off with that little black clip. But like I said, make sure not to damage that clip or lose it. And then this one, the upper hose has a blue tab, and here it is. So to get this line out, you just have to press this button in and then pull out. And then this one goes to the actual brake master cylinder. Okay, now we're gonna work our way inside the vehicle. So that also did well, so I can see better. First, let me get the light. So what I did was, I took off this cover right here, which is only 3 tabs. So you just have to get like a little screwdriver and then pop this out. It comes right out. And then I'm gonna get this bolt right here, which is gonna be a T30. Actually, no, it's gonna be a T25. T25. That goes there. Move it out the way. And then you just pretty much, you don't really need to take it all the way out, because this guy here, you don't want to mess with the airbag. So just take it out a little bit so you can get your extension. Because what's going to happen is, the top of the clutch pedal, I'm going to show you guys again, but as you can see, there's a studs. So you got a stud right. Let's see if I can get a good picture. As you can see, there's a stud right there. There's about 4 of them. So you got one up here and then you got one at the very top. It's kind of hard to see, but way up there, there's a stud. So you have one up there, one below. You have one up top, one below. You have 2 on the bottom and 2 on top, to make it simpler. Let's see. So you got one right there, and then you got another one right there, and then there's another one a little bit above that one, diagonal from that one. Once you take that out, make sure to disconnect your brake pedal, the clutch pedal sensor, which is here. All you gotta do is turn and twist, but make sure you disconnect it. And this one is just a tab. You just push this in and then you just pull it out. And that's pretty much it on that. So as you can see, that's how I was able to get to that very top bolt, the 13 bolt that goes into the actual clutch pedal assembly. Use extension. You go through that way, and you can get to that very top clutch pedal bolt. And then the other ones are fairly simple to get to. Then you have about 4mm, but about 4 bolts, and they are 13mm. So this is the 2014 ST Ford Focus. Put the new clutch pedal in. You flood the system. Everything's looking great.